Get off. Just don't yank me off my bike. You can't yank me off my bike.
Stay still.
Allegedly, this biker popped a wheelie without realizing a cop was watching. Moments later, multiple patrol units surrounded him, turning a simple stunt into a serious situation.
What did I do?
I'm popping wheelies.
What do you take my for?
Yeah, put your kickstand
This isn't
down.
even mine.
It's not.
What?
Oh no.
Bro, you can't touch me. I haven't done anything.
I have it on video, dude.
Bro, you can't touch me.
Stop.
Hey, don't yank me off my bike. Get off. Just don't yank me off my bike. You can't yank me off my bike. I will
Then
get
stay
off.
on your bike. Put your hands behind your
I
back.
have to put my
Both hands behind your
handstand.
back.
I have to put my handstand
Put your hands
down.
behind
Dude,
your
I have
back.
this recording.
I have it recording too.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead and throw me off my bike.
You popping your wheelies? You provoking me?
Provoking you
Awesome,
where?
dude.
I didn't even see you.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what? Let me get off
Right
my
now,
bike.
We're gonna have you.
Provoking you, bro? I literally will pull over you for you with no issue.
Get off the
Dude,
bike.
let me get off my bike. You can't
Alright.
take me off my bike,
Yep,
please.
hand behind.
I didn't run from anybody, bro. I'm just trying to get off my bike. That's it. I'm literally trying to get off my bike.
Kick your feet off. Over that, Sarge.
He's trying to slam me off my bike.
I didn't slam you. I would have slammed you.
Dude, I'm about to sue the shit out y'all. Go ahead. You have no evidence for me, bro. You literally pulled up
I'm
on
doing
me.
a search
You
warrant on your
literally
camera.
pulled up on me.
Stands
Hey, you guys are about to get up today. I'm about to get paid. He came up, he didn't even state himself. Dude, pop a fucking wheelie like I was fucking running around shooting up cars. Don't touch me, bro. You haven't even read me my fucking rights.
Stay still.
I'm
messing with you, dude.
Read me my rights, motherfucker. For what? Bro, I'm trying to do it right.
No, I saw him do Willie and then Allison. I saw him go in and out of traffic and back around.
Provoking, yeah, provoking us, doing wheelies, driving like crap. You know, honestly, like, because I kind of didn't engage him, I was just kind of like, I mean, if I did engage him, stay still!
Hold on. Hold on, I got
Get off the bike.
I got music playing, okay?
Get off the bike.
I got you.
Get off now.
I got music playing.
Get off your bike.
I got
Don't face
music
me.
playing.
Don't
What
face me.
happened?
Sit over here.
One eternity later.
Hands behind you.
Although this biker was arrested on the spot, all charges were later dropped.
Oh, there's a cop right there too. This is perfect content. But I don't want to crash. If I crash.
Running from the cops is not just illegal, it's dangerous for everyone on the road. If you pull over, you will almost always face a lighter charge than if you get caught after trying to run. It's never worth it, so don't do it.
Bro! Come on, gang. I want to get him on the highway. Let's go, buddy. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Let's hear it, boy. Alright, well this is just let me squeeze in right here real quick, thank you. And then hit this. Sorry, buddy.
let me get you. Yes, sir. There you go. You gotta send that to me, dude. Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure.
After meeting in a parking lot with a random cop, the speeding issue brought them back together on the highway.
Are you the one I was in the parking lot with over here the other day?
Wait, that's you?
Yes. Why are you speeding?
I have to catch my buddy.
Come on, man.
He drove like an hour to get here so he can meet us. I was like, oh, let's go.
Don't go that much over the speed limit.
And I'm sorry, I got carried away.
That's way too fast, bro.
Honestly, I have no reason. I'm guilty. I'm guilty as charged.
I got you.
Man.
Okay, listen, hey, I ride a bike too, like I said, all right?
Yeah.
But you gotta chill, okay? You can't listen. Going almost 80 is like way too fast, okay? Way too much. Like 5, 10 miles an hour over, that's not the end of the world, you know what I'm saying? Dude, almost 80 on a 45, okay? That's like almost double, you know what I'm saying?
I'm so sorry.
Okay,
We just got carried away.
hang on for a second, okay?
All right.
Talk to your buddies. Why don't you explain to your buddies? You said they're not from around here?
I don't know. The red bikes, I don't know. But the other one, that's my cousin.
Okay, tell your cousin. You said he's not from here?
No, he's not from here.
Tell your cousin, dude, we do not play around here, all right?
Okay.
We will chase you till you crash here if they run, all right? Okay. So I know a lot of guys do that, all right? But slow down. Don't go that much over the speed limit here. We won't give y'all a hard time. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all are having fun and out riding around, and that's cool. Just that much over is too fast, okay? I'm giving you a warning this time, all right? But please slow down, okay? That's right. Yeah, cool, man. Get where you're going safe, right?
All right, thank you.
A whole group of bikers was tracked by a police helicopter, which eventually led to a full stop. But the most unexpected part came afterward. A biker who came to check on the group ended up getting pulled over and receiving a hefty ticket.
Hey, how you doing?
What happened?
The Explorer, right? Behind you guys, the gray.
What's up?
The gray Explorer. That's what you're looking at.
Yeah. He started catching up to us earlier, and I was like, that may be 12. Yeah, he's stopping here too. Called it. How you doing?
Got some ID?
Yes, sir.
This one didn't have a light. That one. You don't got headlights? One of your guys' headlights wasn't on. We'd have to look at the helicopter footage. Probably run the other
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, go ahead and shut the bike off for me. Take keys out.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Got your ID on you?
Yeah, what's up?
Take your keys out. Give me your keys. Give me your keys. Thank you. Appreciate you. Can't have your tag like that, man.
I mean,
Stop texting.
no.
Save yourself $1,300, bro. If you don't want to produce whatever you just told us, and that's not true.
Well, then just write me the ticket.
All right, be right back, sir.
What's up?
What's up, buddy?
Another day, bro.
Yeah.
Just living life, enjoying it. You get a ticket?
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, I am getting one? I'm getting a $1,300 one.
For what?
My tag. Well, I could have just
Okay, it's
ran
like
no
if you had
tag
an
and just
unregistered
ran
motor
for y'all
vehicle,
like
sir.
everyone else, but I tried to do the right thing and pull in here and talk to y'all. Y'all didn't even tell me why I needed to give you my license and my key. Legally, you're supposed to, because you didn't pull me
We told
over.
you the tag.
No, you didn't. Not
You
until
didn't
after
ask.
your partner took my key.
You didn't
And I
ask.
tried to hold my key,
Okay.
and he took it.
Can you go
So that's
please?
pretty illegal. But, you know, it is what it is.
Thank you, sir.
All right, man. Here's your driver's license. Here's your keys back. You are getting a citation today for the improperly affixed tag on the motorcycle, okay? Were you able to pull up the order that you said you did?
No,
It's not in your email or anything?
I just spent like $700 on this thing.
Okay. There's your keys. It's $1,100. It's a very expensive ticket. You get to court, and you bring that order, which was dated before the time that's on this traffic stop, October 23rd at 7:39 p.m. I'll reduce it down to the regular one for improperly affixed, which is I think 114 or something like that. Fair enough?
Yep.
All right, you have any questions?
Nope.
All right, thanks, man.
Yep. Dude, I was gonna keep going. I was just gonna leave, but I was like, let me not leave my boys behind, and then I get for it.
You should have left.
I should have left. I'll never do that shit again. Yeah. Every time I try to do the right thing, bro, I get.
Jimmy's gotta start this slanging dope. Damn, that shit's hella seeable though.
Due to the music blasting in his helmet, this biker got surrounded by the cops who thought he was running from them.
I was behind you.
What's up?
You didn't notice I was behind you?
No, I didn't, no.
You have your driver's license on you?
Yeah, sure I do. It's in my bag. You mind if I grab for it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, of course.
Pull your key out for me.
Yeah, go ahead. Where's my buddy at?
You got pulled over when we first lit you guys up.
Oh, shoot, okay.
You got music going in there?
Yeah, I got this thing right here, so if you saw me pause it right there in a second. He just got pulled over for his plate. We're actually growing up here right now to get zip ties for it.
How old are you?
20.
All right, dude. You shouldn't be listening to music in the headset like that.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
You know what
Sorry.
I mean? You can't hear us. You can't hear what's going on around you.
I usually in my
You're
mirrors,
a bit rich.
like you were at. That's where.
Yeah, that's what
Rich?
I'm calling you. Yeah, that's why all these guys flew out here.
Oh my God! I was about to say. I was like, whoa, whoa! What did I do?
Yeah.
Like in my helmet, I was actively telling myself, what happened?
All right. You're good to go.
Hey, sorry about that, man. I really didn't know.
All right, be safe.
Is he pulling me over? He is? Hey, how you doing?
Hey man, you good? When you passed me, I could not see your tag up under it.
Oh, really?
No, you can't look. I mean, look, you can't. All right, man.
Yeah.
Hey, you're free to go, man.
Well, I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Like I said, when you passed me, I could not see that tag.
No worries, man. Have a great night. Appreciate you.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.